Okay, here I'm sending the camera into the dryer vent, and the camera's on the end of a long steel, it's called a wire cooler. It's a flexible steel rod that unrolls. Okay, here went. This is the where the outside vent connects with the pipe in the wall. I got some lint on the camera lens. That'll come off in a minute. So now I'm pushing down into the pipe, and because I wasn't getting any flow on the output on this dryer vent, so I suspected a problem. Now here you can see the lint is just stacking up, and that lint should have been sucked out with the suction when I ran the brush through, but the lint wasn't sucked out because the pipe is not connected somewhere. So I'm trying to find out how far in the pipe is disconnected. So I'm still pushing through, and you can see the lint's just packed in there, and because there wasn't enough velocity for the dryer to push the lint out, so it's just piling up inside the pipe. And as I push it in, the lint blocks off the lens, and then when I pull it back a little bit, you can see, you get a better view. And there's still solid lint, and this part of the pipe wasn't cleanable because it wasn't connected to the main pipe, as you're about to see. I'll show you where the break is in the ceiling. And there I'm just taking a look, it's still packed solid with lint. I'm pushing the camera in more, and still seeing the lint there. Pushing the camera, there we go. There's some fiberglass. Now we're at the fiberglass from the ceiling. That's the yellow right there. And I'm going to push through that, and then we can see where the break is. This is on this dryer vent. It is steel all the way. Okay, here's the break. Okay, you see how now we're seeing the outside of one pipe, so they're disconnected and it's offset. See right there. I'm trying to pull my camera out, and I'm shaking it. It ended up getting stuck on that lip. I'll freeze frame this and show you exactly, the picture. But now I'm basically just, pulling the camera out. And so what I did is I taped off where that break was on the steel tape. There's me. And okay, here on the dryer vent pipe, the pipe goes across the ceiling and then across the kitchen right here, and then it's broken in the ceiling right where I put the tape, which is right in the dining room. And it's about, from the video, it looked like there's about a 6-inch gap between the two pipes, and it's just filling up that area. And then it continues straight on out to the end of the building. And so what I have to do is open up a hole here. I have to then repair the pipe, which is easy. And then I got to put the sheetrock back and put the popcorn back and do all that. So it'll be 2 or 3 trips.